Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to zoom in and zoom out in CapCut. Then go to the video section over here and now click on transform. So this is the starting point where we will start zoom in and zoom out effect, and we need a destination point. So to do this, go after some keyframe, let's say from here to here. Then once more you have to check the transform keyframe here. You can see add keyframe. If you hover on it, you will it text will pop up, and as you can see it's saying add keyframe. So click on it. So we have added two keyframe. So let me increase the size. Let me increase the scale for zoom out, for zoom in, sorry, and then go to the next keyframe, and then keep scale 100. Now let's play the video from here. As you can see, it's decreasing scale. So this is how you can zoom in and zoom out your video.